Welcome back everyone. So today putting a quick dash cam in a brand new GLE AMG. This one's a little bit different than normal. Obviously we're going to be using the fuse box on like I normally do with the Mercedes. Unfortunately with this one the fuse box is in the rear. All the fuse boxes up the front of the car are hot all the time. The only one that's got switch live is in the rear passenger, well rear on the UK model, rear driver's side in the boot. So a little bit more wiring to do today, but it shouldn't be too much different, and I'll explain as I go along. Okay, so we're using the Nextbase 300W. In the normal kit you get the sort of dash mount and the cigarette lighter power cable. I'm going to be using the Nextbase hardwire kit like always, mainly because it's better quality and you can always take it when you change the car. Obviously with that also you get the fuse jumpers as well and the little Faraday magnet. Okay, so as always I've put it into the centre of the car. This has got a 140 degree camera angle, so where it sits right behind the rear view mirror, you're still going to get a really good camera angle. All we're going to do then is with the cable obviously feed it up behind here underneath the headliner. I'm going to bring it down, and then my aim is to have all the cable just sitting behind the little thing here. I'm going to earth it just on the stud at the back. It's a little stud in there, and then put all the cable in there and then go for the power cable from the rear. Having pushed the wire down the trim, it's sitting nice in here behind the panel. I've earthed it off just behind here. You just pull this panel off gently. It hinges at the bottom, so if you pull it from the top and it hinges from the bottom here, and there's a little stud behind there you can do it too. So I've earthed it off there, and now it's just a case of running a feed. I'm going to just drop a cable all the way down underneath all the trims, all the way through to the back, all the way through underneath here, and then if you just lift up this panel here, I'm going to drop the cable underneath here, underneath this bit of sponge into this rear fuse box here. So I'm going to do that and then I'll show you what we're doing this in. So once that cable's all through, we're going to look at these two fuses here. You've got 458 and 457, which are the bottom yellow 20 amp and the red 10 amp there for your front and rear power sockets. Obviously all we're going to do, using the supplied piggyback cable, take that out, put the connector on there, take the fuse out, put it in the bottom one, put it on, and that'll be that complete. Okay, so once that's connected, I've just sort of tucked the cable out of the way, obviously put the fuse extension in then, and that is the wiring complete. It's just a case of now setting up the camera. Jeez, it's miserable. Thanks for watching the video. Obviously if it was helpful, give it a like, give it a subscribe. I've got a few more videos coming up. I have got a new project card now. Moving on to the BMW F30 3 Series. That's got quite a bit coming up, and again with the smart car. So I was going to say, if it's video is useful, give it a like, give it a subscribe. Any issues, any questions, comment in the comment section, and I'll get back to you as quick as I can. Thank you, I'll catch you later.